Check out how cool this is. So you've got an iPhone, even if it has a case on it, this has a really strong magnet. So you just put it on like that and this does not come off. So you pull this out, even with the case, this really does not come off. Obviously, this is really nice if you want to use the phone one-handed and you want to keep it secure. If you've ever dropped your phone before, you should get this because you are not going to drop your phone with this. I mean, yes, it does come off fairly easily, but if you are using it as intended, it's going to give you so much extra security to hold your phone. Also nice that you can use this as a stand, so you just twist this around and you got a nice little stand. So let's have a closer look. One nice thing about this is if you don't have an iPhone, you could actually put this on your phone and then use the magnets that way. Oh boy, that might have been a mistake because these are strong magnets. Oh wow, that was hard to get off. Don't put this on unless you already have it stuck to your phone. You'll notice that there is a case on this iPhone. That doesn't matter at all. It still sticks really well. So you've got kind of a groove here so you can pull it out and then you can twist it however you want. So the nice thing about this is you don't have to worry about your phone coming off. It is on there super good. And then you can use it like a ring. It just makes using the phone so much easier. And then when you want to put the phone down, you just pull this out a little bit more, you move this around, and then you can put it at whatever angle you want. This was sent to me so I could test it out and make this video. I'm really quite impressed with it actually. It's one of those things that it's just a really simple idea but executed very well. There's a lot of things you can put on the back of your phone. They're usually some sort of sticker or adhesive. I've never really been a fan of those because I don't like something that you stick on, but this is a magnet. You just take it off if you don't want to use it. Really nice and compact as well. You can just keep this on all the time, still put it in your pocket or your purse or whatever. It is taking up a little bit more room and it is a bit heavier, but it's not really that noticeable. I'm really impressed with this. Really cool.